how to log in Facebook account without email and phone number. So for that, you simply need to first log into an existing account, or you can also create a temporal dummy account that you can log into so that you are able to search for your account that you like to log into. So first open Facebook, and after that you need to search for your name on it. So once you search for it, you need to open your profile and then tap on the three dotted line. Here you need to tap on your account's profile link. Once you copy the link of your account, you need to go back and log out your existing account here. After you log out, you need to tap on log into another account, and here you need to enter the link that you previously copied instead of mobile number or email. After you copy the link, you should delete all the characters and leave only the number. Once you have done that, you need to enter the password here. After that, you need to tap on login button and you can easily log in Facebook account without email and phone number. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching.